Hey Lauren, this is TJ with your packaging for Max Factory Figma 323 Deku. This is a real, authentic figure. I know that there's at least a knockoff. I don't know if they're knockoffs, but you know, box is minty. So we'll take this guy out. Alright, so I guess I could take him out of the box. Real quick, just to show you that the joints are good and stuff like that. But I mean, all joints are good, all that good stuff, I guess. Make sure to rotate his arm correctly. And I'm going to put him back in the box. I'll get the camera refocused there. He comes with two other faces. I'll show you those once I put the plastic clamshell back on because they bounce around. But he does come with a half mask. There is a full mask that the head swaps out for, but that was like a pre-order exclusive or something like that. So I know if it re-releases, I might try to get it because of that. So he comes with his hands. Well, I guess I can take this stuff out. A total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional hands. They're offset because one is that, you know, the power flick or whatever. I never actually looked at the folded paper. I don't know if those are instructions or what, but alright, here's the base of the stand. The actual long part of the stand is in the other bag. I just wanted it to be able to fit inside of there or whatever. Let me see, I put that in the wrong way, of course. Oh, and if you look right here, there's that, it's like a stand extender or something like that. I've honestly never even used it, but it comes in there. It's kind of pointless. It's so short that it's like, I don't know. But you say you do figure photography and stuff like that, so you'll probably figure out something cool to do with it. I honestly just didn't look at it too, I guess, deathy, whatever you want to call it. So, get that packed back on. So, again, the two additional faces. One's angry, one's frightened. And then there's the extra long piece, or there's the one long piece to the stand. And it came with one more peg for the wrist or whatever, I guess, in case you break them or something. I didn't have any problems with them, so. Right. There's that. Now I'm just getting it all wrapped up in plastic. And all that good stuff. Next thing I'm going to review is this metal build Eva right here. Evangelion, if you're into that. So that's pretty cool stuff. You know what? That plastic wrap's kind of grimy. I have this plastic wrap though. So I'm going to use that instead. Make sure I don't tape the box there is all. Jesus Christ, this crap gets everywhere. Alright, so I've got the two layers taped. I'm not going to worry about the sides or anything like that because they're going inside of this box anyway. Alright, so it already had packing paper on the bottom. Putting some more on the top too. 1, 2, 4. No additional labels or anything like that on the box. But this wasn't really comfortable with how the table's looking right there. But alright, let's take a look at your label. Tomorrow is Monday, or today is Monday the 1st, so I'll get it mailed out this morning. But 1st of April 2019 should get to you. Priority mail 2-day by Wednesday, April 3rd. If not, Thursday, April 4th, 2019. Let's take a look at your information here. Lauren Bright. I put JM Bright because that's your Facebook name. 5110 Pin Oak Turn. Is it Burbani, Illinois? 60914-9405-5036-9930-0463-705640. Thank you very much for your fast payment. Well, I guess as fast as money came through to you. You are a no bullshit buyer. You wanted it, you bought it. Made things simple, just like I like it. I really hope you enjoy this package and look forward to your pictures. Talk to you later.